Hey guys, it's Coach Kelly. I wanted to show you really quickly an easy way on catch-up days and makeup work days to check your grades all in one place. Okay, so this classroom, if you go to your main classes, you want to be out of your class so you can see all of your classes. This one's yours, okay? But I'm not a student in that, I'm a teacher. So I need to go to one that looks like a student, which is this one. And on this screen, when you see it, you should see this button right here. If you click on it, it quickly shows you everything that has been assigned. And over here, it will say the status. Okay, now none of mine needed to be graded for this class specifically, so they all just say assigned. However, that would mean that for you guys this morning, it's anything that's assigned to you that you haven't done yet. Returned, if you click this button, same thing, it will show all the assignments and anything that has been returned to you. That's really important for you guys because I returned all of your science and your math in case you wanted a better grade. Missing. This is something that means when you clicked in there that either you didn't turn in or you haven't done yet. So you'd have your list of assignments and anything that's missing. Okay, so please go check this to help you. When you're there, say that this said missing. I could get, oh, it's missing. I click on it and it would take you straight to your assignment and you'd be able to do it. Same here. If it was returned to you, you could easily click on it, look at my comments, complete the work if you need to, and move on. Good luck today.